What happens when I go over it? If you come near me, and I'm upside down, I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do that. You just need to aim, come into my kayak, and I'll eventually hit your kayak like that.
Yeah, so you can grab it.
And I'll just pull myself up. Right. We'll have a little dry run of that now. Not filming.
When you're ready, Rob.
So if I go over, look, I can basically now do that.
Yeah.
It's rather ironic that's called a dry run, isn't it?
I'm right down my back. So I've been completely upside down there. Right.
How's it taste? Is it kind of like the Caribbean, tropical?
It smells like rat's weed.
Did you see the blue triggerfish?
I saw something blue. I think it was my lip.
It's a,
I just touched something again. I'm telling you.
yeah, cloth. Come on.
Which way you rolling?
I'm going to roll that way. Only come up to me.
Go, Robbie. Go, Robbie.
You're peace and quiet. Only come up to me if I can. I don't know if I'm going to get. If I don't get it, I don't get it.
Come on, my SD card's only 2 gig. I'll never get all of this on there. It's deep enough, you'll fade.
I've done it in this kayak.